Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Krista. I'm a stay-at-home mom to 2 little boys here in Georgia. Today's video is a power hour clean with me. I wanted to see how much I could get done in an hour, so get up and clean with me, or just sit down and get motivated to clean. So we are going to start by putting up some medicine into the medicine cabinet. Our boys have been sick, and so we've just been keeping it out right there on that little counter space to have it to grab easily. And then we're going to start off by cleaning the oven and stove. It gets very dirty very quickly, obviously, we cook multiple times a day on the thing. And then we are going to finish by cleaning off the rest of the counters.
And I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh. So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in me.
So this night I did not have to do any dishes because Jared did the dishes for me, but he never cleans out the sink, so I wanted to go ahead and get that nice and clean and sparkling so that I wouldn't have to worry about it in the morning. Also, this is just a really cool tip if you have to clean your sink out like me. The quickest way to get rid of bubbles in your sink is to just run purely cold water, and it gets rid of the bubbles so much faster. I found this on TikTok and I tried it out, and it actually is true. Like, if you do warm water, the suds keep building up, but cold water actually makes them go away a lot quicker.
And it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say, you're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others.
So if you remember when we first moved in here, we didn't have a microwave, so we got this little cube organizer desk thing, I don't know what to call it, to put the microwave on and to put in all of our snacks. Well, we got a ton of these fruit cups, but they were taking up space to where I couldn't put anything else in there. So I'm just going to take them out of their packaging and put them in there that way. That way I can fit so much more in there, because we were having to pile everything on top of our microwave to have our snacks, and it was driving me crazy. So as you can see, now that I cleared that out, we have so much more space on top of the microwave.
I don't know what
So I know that you can see in the background that there are some boxes in the back right there that Jared has to take off. So I'm just going to leave those there, and then you can see my laundry that I have to fold, which I think I'm going to make a video on, like an extreme laundry motivation video or something, because if I don't, then I'm probably not going to want to do it, because I have so much laundry to fold and clean, but it is unreal. But I just wanted to kind of clarify that that's why that clutter was all back there. So now I'm going to use my Bissell Crosswave to clean the floors. And I am not the best when it comes to measuring out what the water to mix, whatever that stuff is, ratio. So I just kind of guess and put it in the bottle.
Tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You said.
So the best part about cleaning the kitchen is after I'm done, I get to light my new candle. It is an energy candle from Target. It has essential oils in it, and when I say this smells so good, it really does. It smells so good. It's one of my favorite things, and if you are in Target and you see this, you need to pick it up. So the next place in my power hour that I wanted to clean was the bathroom. It really needed a good deep clean. So I might make another video on that as well. But I'm just going to take my Clorox and spray everything down, and then take this really great brush that I got from Dollar Tree. It's like a soft bristle brush, and scrub the bathtub down. Also wanted to point out that this Sprayway glass cleaner is the best glass cleaner that I've ever used. So now we're going to get into the toilet, which is the worst spot of the whole bathroom. You'll see in a second, I actually almost take off the toilet seat completely to clean underneath where those screws are. Check your toilet to see if yours does that, because I didn't know mine did that until I saw a woman on TikTok say that most toilet seats do that. And so I did that, and it was disgusting. Oh my gosh, like I wanted to puke. It was disgusting. Alright, you guys, this is actually going to be the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you got some motivation or you cleaned with me. Don't forget to comment down below what you thought and give the video a like. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I make new videos weekly. I try to get up 2 videos a week. But I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.
I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you